I get this question all the time. Kristin, what is it that you actually do? And I realize that when I tell people, oh, I'm a digital media consultant, that can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. I had this question actually over this past weekend from my mother-in-law who said, Kristin, I need you to break it down for me. What exactly is a digital media consultant? And that was really helpful for me because I was able to explain to her and say, I teach people how to use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I teach people how to use these platforms and learn it like a second language. When you learn it like a second language, you can then use it as a marketing tool for your business, and you can use it as a way to do some phenomenal storytelling. And that storytelling is a way that more and more businesses are choosing to connect with their clients. So once they have this platform in hand, then they can bridge that gap and bring it together so that their clients feel connected, cared for, and they want to be part of that business and continue to support it. So that's my role. I work as a consultant. I work to teach people how to use the platforms on a one-on-one basis. I do group classes, and I also do ongoing monthly maintenance with many of my clients where I help them month to month implement their social media strategies, develop what they're going to be sharing online and the pictures that they're going to be sharing and who they want to outreach to. It's a really exciting time for digital media, and if you're interested in learning more about it, please make sure that you like my Facebook page and follow us here. I have classes coming up this fall that I'd love to share with you. And don't forget, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. We're in a rapidly changing world. Questions pop up all the time. And again, my 3 main goals for people is to help them feel comfortable, confident, and effective online. And I'd love to share that with you. Thanks.